Oh my god, our neighbour has just started lawn mowing. Hey guys, I'm Jerusha and you're watching Jerusha Couture TV. Straight up, this just arrived. Truthfully, it just arrived on the doorstep with UPS and I threw this on to film this, okay? I would like to thank today's video sponsor, and that is none other than Fashion File. I'm coming back. Okay guys, I've spoken to Sarah, I'm coming back. COVID is over. The governments don't even recognise it anymore and it is no longer a pandemic. I'm getting on a plane and I'm coming back, okay? I'm going to go to Carlsbad and Beverly Hills like I did last time. I'm going back into the vault. I'm going back into the cage. I'm coming back, okay? I just told Sarah I'm coming back, whether you like it or not. I would like to thank them because they're today's video sponsor. If you don't know Fashion File, it is one of the leading consignment resale companies that is out there. They ship worldwide. They are based in California, America, USA. They have been around the longest, honestly, and their caliber, size, and reach of items on all different scales of the designer level is so humongous. Their site is just beautifully presented. The way that you can scour through, look at all the different items, the different designers, and then go and be reassured of the condition. And I've said this before, it is always underrated, always. Even if it says very good, I swear to God, it's like brand new. It's in excellent condition. All of their items are rated and then they're described below them. I've noticed there's a lot of consignment and pre-owned sites and other companies where their description is not as detailed as Fashion Files. They literally will tell you almost down to like one scratch on the hardware. Yes, I've been a Fashion File blogger since what feels like Sarah and Ben Day Dot had the company, and I'm honoured for that. I really am, because they are really one of the staples in consignment of luxury goods. They stick to what they know best, which is perfect. I think the closest they go to ready to wear is shoes, then they stop there. So they don't do clothing and it's not sort of, you know, kind of a mishmash. They just clear across the board. Sunglasses, jewelry, high-end jewelry, shoes, and then obviously bags and accessories. Number one killer on their company's website. So this is a live unboxing. Live. It is not on YouTube live. However, yes, it's a true unboxing, but it's live right this second. I am doing it this second and I will put this up tomorrow morning. So it is happening right now, and I have Miss Lexi to thank for this item that I picked up. The reason I went through Fashion File, not only is this pretty much, actually might have been listed as brand new or at least excellent, like used, gently used once. Okay, but I had a credit with Fashion File. So for me to walk into the boutique and grab this for what's nearly, I think, $3 now, it was redundant because I had a credit with Fashion File. I had put money into something else, and then that's another thing. You can hold credit in the company and then put it towards something else. Amazing. You can work up your credit to then pay off, buy the item. So that's why I went this route, and of course they had a beautiful selection of them. Only a couple because it is brand new, but you will see. So this is a live unboxing, and I've just, these things excite me, okay? I've never seen it in person. I've not gone into the boutique and seen it, and I don't have my Fashion File unboxing knife, so this is so janky, but I'm using my brow razor. Live, no edit. There's going to be no edit in this, okay? It's just what is happening right this second. Oh, it's Fashion File, so, oh, okay. It's Fashion File, and I don't want to show you the shipping. Obviously, it's my home address, so usually this would have a Fashion File on it, and then it's got at the bottom, thank you, from the bottom of this box. It always does. See? From the bottom of this box. Thank you from the bottom of our heart. However, it's never changed. They always do. They're pretty confetti, so it's all on the top. You get a Fashion File file. Get it? Ha 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 ha. And that is the company, Fashion File. Obviously, filing away. They file their items. Clever. Clever as. So that's a fashion file. So let's take all our... Let's take all our confetti over to the side because I'm opening upside down. Otherwise, it would have the proof of purchase and the authorization. Sorry, the authenticity card. Authorization. You can tell I'm not excited to the point where I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so this item didn't come with a box. It didn't come with its original box, and that sometimes happens because the previous owner just throws out their box because they can't keep it. But here is our invoice and authenticity. Can you tell by the shape? Used is the new. I just love this company. All of their items come in a fashion file dust bag first. If the listing states that your item comes in a box or a bag, a dust bag, it will be inside. This is their amazing marketing, duh. Everything is in a fashion file bag, and these are really good quality, sometimes better than the actual design house, just saying. So let's go ahead. No edit, no edit. This is just pure live unboxing. Okay, so you can come for me for my excitement, but I don't care. I'm so glad after all these years I still have this excitement. That's what's beautiful about luxury designers, is that you still get that feeling, and that's a great thing. Oh, I don't know where to pick it up from. Maybe I'll pick it up from here. Oh, what? Oh my God, wow. Wow. Wow, see, they totally underrate it. Certificate of authenticity, dust bag and straps, that's right. And there's the SKU for it, and it was in excellent. Lies, okay, lies. This thing isn't used. This thing is not used. Oh my God, guys, look. This is the brand new style Louis Vuitton. It's been, I think it was released maybe end of 21, possibly 2020, beginning of 22. This is the Louis Vuitton small or mini loop bag. So I think it might be PM, I'm not quite sure. Let me just check. So it's written on here as small loop bag, whether or not maybe Vuitton call it a PM, and then you've got the bigger loop bag in size. The actual tag has a security code on it, so you can see there it's got like if you buy from StockX or things like that, it has the security tab on it. If you cut that off, you cannot return it or exchange it if you're not happy with the bag. So once you cut that off, that is your purchase made. So this little beauty has the cross body strap and shoulder strap. So this kind of style of strap, Vuitton are doing a lot now, a lot. Maybe it brings their cost down a little because obviously it's not a buckle, and then they can pop that on, you know, as an add-on at sort of less markup. I feel like it's easier for them, but it does come with the extra chain, again, detachable. If you watched my weekly vlog, where I first started weekly vlogs, and I did a quick unboxing of the Neo Nano Noe. What? Yes, the Nano Noe in the new version with the straps. You probably heard me say that Vuitton have worked out to just sell up with their straps. So they can absolutely price increase, and because you get more straps. So detachable straps, it is a total smart game changer. This actual chain completely comes off. It's a beautiful, beautiful ball chain, which is really, really nice. So they're both detachable. It has the beautiful emblem, the LV coin emblem there, and this front pocket is actually functional, and you've got the 2 pull tabs on the front, and then it's functional, so you can see there. So that's perfect to keep, you know, quick access items in there. And then the main compartment has this zipper, and this is what I really wanted to see. Ooh, it is actually really smooth because of the sort of croissant shape of the loop bag, and this is a reinterpretation of the loop bag. It's an old design of Louis Vuitton's, like an original design, and it's redesigned, so it's come back essentially. I just wanted to see how smooth this moon shape was. Here is the LV, again, really beautiful as a pull tab, like so. Oh, that's so smooth. So let's go ahead and show you the inside. So obviously 1 zipper on top, and that is how you access the main body compartment. Here is your dust bag. As I said, it will always be folded inside. Louis Vuitton's dust bag versus Fashionphile's dust bag. Just quietly, Louis Vuitton, step it up. So there is your interior. You have the Louis Vuitton Paris made in France leather tab on the back there, and then it's just 1 compartment. There's no interior slip compartment. I'm pretty sure Simone could probably do a bag organizer for this because Millie is always ahead of the game. Hello, friend. Oh my goodness, let's show you some things that fit, because I've been doing that lately and you guys really, really appreciate that, which that is amazing. My current bag in rotation is this guy. Speaking of detachable straps and pochettes and all of that, this is the multi-pochette. A lot going on. It's friendly and easy to use, however it's finicky. Like, there's a lot going on. I do not keep the coin pouch on the strap, and I mentioned that in my weekly vlog because it swings around. However, I do keep it inside like so. So that's there. I keep, it's just monogram pouch after monogram pouch, my mini pochette, my 4 key in there, and my car key and luggage tag, and I'm currently using my zip around Chanel compact wallet. So that is what is in the multi-pochette. I did just go ahead and grab some other items to show you to see if they fit as well. This is the Toiletry 15. I know, it's a monogram canvas party in here, it's crazy. Zippy compact wallet, which was my first wallet, if you know that or if you followed me. So I did grab those to see how we're going size-wise, to sort of show you. I zip around Chanel card case. So obviously, keeping in mind it is this moon shape, we're not gonna fit, you know, the kitchen sink. But what I do carry, let's see if we can just get this in to begin with. Here is my mini pochette, which is pretty much a must. Let's see if we can get that in for the funny shape that it is. Yeah, it's getting in and it's doing up, but again, it's pouch on pouch on pouch. I mean, at the end of the day, I stand in line at a shop and I'm just pulling out monogram after monogram. It does look quite stupid. Here's my 4 key. That is probably side packed max. There's just little holes around that I can stick like my key down there, and my phone would just have to be in my pocket. But yeah, I mean, look, essentials, it's in there, but again, pouch on pouch on pouch, right? Why would you do it? If you have cards that are quick access, again, monogram. I have to do a monogram canvas collection. Okay, should we do that? Because it's stupid. It's out of control. I literally, it's so, guys, it is too much. Okay, it's out of control. So if you wanted to have a quick access card, maybe a swipe key to work or things like that, this fits. Does it fit a card holder comfortably? Not really. Look, it's not zipping up. I mean, if you are happy just to leave it open, it doesn't really fit in that shape. However, I'm sure a card would. An actual credit card itself. Just to have a look, if you do have a full size, if you do have a full size wallet, see, this is me in the shops. pulling everything out. If you do have a full-size wallet, and it doesn't have to be VUITTON, and it doesn't have to be a zippy wallet, you know, you could have a beautiful Kate Spade wallet, this kind of size, it doesn't fit. So you're definitely downsizing your wallet. There you go. So that's not closing at all. No way, not with this shape. Yes, this is kind of a zip around card holder, but I just would have to manage because this gives you obviously tons and tons more room. So car key, card holder, a lip gloss. Let's see if the phone does fit. So here we go, iPhone 14 Pro. There's so many different versions. Let's move a few things around. Yeah, so I mean, way better, right? So if you're starting to put items separately and just dropping them in, and my lipstick, my liquid lip for today, amazing, YSL color number 7 in the Rouge Couture Matte Satin, amazing. So yeah, throwing little items in, beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Phone, look at that, so little tiny, you know, stop pouching it, Jerusha. Like, I look so dumb in the shops. I know I do. I know I do. People are just kind of like, why is she pulling out all this Louis Vuitton? They probably just think it's fake, to be honest. It just keeps coming. It's ridiculous. I'm just getting a coffee. There we go. That is definitely how I would pack it. And then you've got it as a shoulder, which is very nice. Great drop. Shoulder drop just there. Perfect. And then again, you unclip, unsnap the sides, and then you have it as a crossbody at the top, a full length crossbody, and that's going to be a long drop. Okay, for someone like me, it's kind of perfect. It's right on the hip. However, there is another set of snaps that you can do, kind of take off about probably 5 inches. You can just sort of take that off. So if you want to have a longer drop on the shoulder, you can, or if you want a shorter drop crossbody, you can as well. So it has that option, so it hits higher or it hits longer on a shoulder drop, which is really cute. But this is my live unboxing, true unboxing. So gorgeous, totally different, you know, shape and style. If you have the original loop, this is a beautiful new interpretation, getting the chain, detachable shoulder strap, crossbody strap, detachable. You're just getting better function. Do I think it's priced well? Louis Vuitton have had price increases, Chanel have price increases. Do you know what, guys? You kind of gotta leave them alone. I know it's painful. I've been asked to do a video on it. What do I think about price increases? There's so many amazing videos. I get asked to do videos on my opinions about things, quiet luxury versus loud luxury. There are so many amazing videos already. I just kind of feel like they've covered it all amazingly well. Prices always have to go up, whether it's a good percentage or not, or it's way too hiked. Yeah, some are really hard to swallow, like Chanel, really hard to swallow. However, it goes across the board. It has to go across the board. Your income goes up, your pay goes up, inflation beyond belief. And once, we've never been through a pandemic in our day and age, so you know, this is off the back of a massive pandemic that really hurt everyone. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed that live true unboxing. That is this moment exactly, my reaction exactly, unedited. I hope you enjoyed that. So if you did, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Please check out all the links below. Everything to do with Fashionphile will be linked below. It is a sensational company. Otherwise, honey, I wouldn't be talking about it, sister. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already and you wish to do so, I would super appreciate that, guys. There is a button below. I hope everybody is having a fantastic day. I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Peace.